Sergio Lozano's Nike Air Max 95 continues its impressive run, reaching new heights since its debut nearly 30 years ago. With the return of the Big Bubble and a growing list of collaborations, OG styles, fresh colorways, and even an upcoming Nike SB version expected in fall or holiday 2025, the silhouette shows no signs of slowing down. Among the latest additions is the Green Shock colorway, seen here in grade school sizing. Much like the recent Corteiz Honey Black's Air Max 95, this pair features black leather sidewalls as a strong foundation. Reflective pearl gray details appear along the spine and tongue, while vibrant green shock hits accent the lace loops, swoosh, air units, and other trim. Scheduled for a fall 2025 release at $145 for grade school sizing, there's a strong chance that adult sizes of the Nike Air Max 95 Green Shock may also join the lineup.